Hi there, it's Alex from WTI. I wanted to share with you today an amazing, beautifully smelling perfume that I recently discovered. It's by Maison Margiela, and it's the Replica collection. So the Replica collection tries to duplicate certain scents that would bring back a sense of nostalgia. So this is the Beach Walk one, and I've always loved a fresh smelling perfume, nothing too heavy or powdery. So the top notes in this are lemon and bergamot, which are beautiful, and then there's some cedar in it as well. So like I said, I like that outdoorsy fresh smell, and this Beach Walk is really nice. So I also think the packaging is so beautiful. It's very, very minimalist, but it looks great on my dresser. It's winter time right now, and I'm really far from a beach anywhere. So I'm gonna spray this, and I'm gonna be reminded of the beach. And that's my point of view.